Well, the fourth generation Suzuki Swift has scored 3 stars in the Euro NCAP safety test, similar to its predecessor. Notably, the European-spec Swift includes advanced driver assistance system, unlike the Indian version. Well, the Euro NCAP crash test results showcases the Swift scored 67% in adult occupant protection, 65% in child occupant protection, 76% in vulnerable road users, and 62% in safety assist. Ratings varied from good to poor across different protection areas. While the global Swift has ADAS features like autonomous emergency braking and lane departure warning, while the Indian Swift has 6 airbags, an electronic stability program, and much more. Now let's talk about what are the expectations of the Indian specs. The Indian Swift is yet to undergo Bharat NCAP testing. The 2024 Suzuki Swift's Euro NCAP performance highlights the disparity in safety standards between regions. The inclusion of ADAS in European models highlights the need for more advanced safety features in the Indian version. This is crucial as India prepares for Bharat NCAP testing.